Hi to everyone. Welcome back to the Vichita Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Today I would like to discuss some of the like 70% syllabus and 30% deleted topics also in all the vocational courses. First I will discuss about the MPHW GFC. So GFC is common for all the vocational groups. Okay, GFC subject I will discuss English as well as the MPHW. Okay. Today I will discuss about the first of all how many subjects are there in MPHW first year, like 5 subjects will be there, no? So I will discuss about the overall 5 subjects in that 70% syllabus as well as the 30% deleted topics also I will discuss. Okay, సో మరొకసారి హాయ్ అండి. ఈరోజు మనం ఎంపీహెచ్డబ్ల్యూ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో ఉన్నాం. తెలుగు, ఇంగ్లీష్, అదేవిధంగా కమ్యూనిటీ హెల్త్ నర్సింగ్, హెల్త్ ప్రమోషన్, ప్రాథమిక ఆరోగ్య కేంద్రం గురించి అన్నీ మనం 30% సిలబస్ డిలీట్ చేసిన టాపిక్స్, అదేవిధంగా 70% డిలీట్ చేసిన టాపిక్స్, అదేవిధంగా మనకు మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ అన్ని కూడా డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాము. ఓకేనా, మరి రెడీనా? ఓకే, దానికంటే ముందుకు ఎవరైతే ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నారో ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ టిల్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ మై వీడియో, లైక్, షేర్, కామెంట్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ అండ్ నాట్ హిట్ ద bell icon also. Okay, let me see the one by one. So first one is general foundation course. First we will see about the, so already we know very well about the general foundation course. It is first subject for all the vocational groups, isn't it? So first this is like a, see the schedule, weightage and blueprint. General education, rural education, entrepreneur development and computer education. These are all the 4 units will be there in the GFC. Like a weightage of the marks. So first general education you may get the 24 marks, rural education 18, entrepreneur 16, computer education 10, total 68. Okay, this is about. Okay, so next coming to the, you may have the section A, section B. Already I have so many times I discussed the question pattern also, paper question patterns I have discussed. This is the syllabus of the like a GFC. It's clear. General education, rural development, entrepreneur development, computer education. This is the syllabus of the this is the syllabus of the general foundation course for the MPHW. Not only MPHW, for all the vocational groups. It's clear. Okay, so this is the, okay, we will see the this is a model question paper. Okay, answer all the questions. Each questions carries 2 marks. Okay, this is the questions. 10 questions will be there. Section A, you have to attempt all the questions in section A. So each question carries 2 marks. So 10 into 2, 20. Okay, section B, 5 questions will like 8 questions will be there. You have to attempt any 5. So in this you may have this 3 marks choice will be there. So 5 into 6, 30 marks. It's clear. So this is overall the like a GFC, like a syllabus, weightage as well as model question paper of the GFC for all the vocational groups. Okay, let me see the like a MPHW students. So how many subjects are there? Already we know very well about the MPHW, community health nursing and next health promotion, and one more is the primary healthcare nursing. It's clear. So this is about 30% deleted content in view of COVID-19 pandemic. General foundation course first, isn't it, ma? See, once general foundation, general education, like early marriages, gender equality, time management and human rights. These topics are deleted. No need to read. Okay, what are the early marriages? Define gender equality. Define what is time management and define human rights. These questions are deleted. 2 marks questions deleted. Write briefly history of early marriages, explain the important aspects of gender equality, explain the ways to improve time management skills and okay, increase productivity, and write chronological of events regarding human rights. Okay, this is the unit 1. Already you know very well about the 4 units. Okay, 4 units in మనం అనుకున్నాం. So in so this topic, these topics are deleted. These are 2 marks questions deleted. Next, these 6 marks questions are deleted in first unit. Next, coming to the unit 2, rural education, afforestation, banks and NGOs in rural development. These topics and subtopics to be deleted in detail heads. Okay, so these are all the like this also no need to read. This also, this is 2 marks questions. This is 6 marks questions. No need to read. Okay, next, third unit, entrepreneur development, entrepreneur competencies, startups. Okay, write briefly about the startups, and this is the 6 marks questions also deleted. This 2 marks questions also deleted. This topics also deleted. Next, coming to the unit 4, computer education, types of computers and its classification, software and its applications, what is meant by software, and write about the classifications of computers. This is all the overall the 30% deleted topics for the first year students in all the vocational groups. It's clear to you. This is topic is no need to read. Okay, it's clear. Already this heading is there. No, see the heading, 30% deleted content in view of COVID-19 pandemic, general foundation course for the first year students. It's clear to everyone. Okay, next coming to the, this one is a 30% deleted content in view of COVID-19 pandemic, English first years. Okay, this is the occasional groups. I'm discussing only occasional groups, not general courses. It's clear? Okay, but here you will see the like a module unit 1. Okay, module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. These are all the headings will be there. No, these are all things no need to read actually. Okay, short story, The Umbrella Man, no need to read. Okay, Aim for the Stars and okay, Saina Nehwal. Okay, these are all the things no need to read these topics. Okay, name of the unit to be omitted and deleted. Omitted is nothing but the deleted topics, no need to read and all those things. It's clear. Next, writer's name also: Ronald Dahi. Okay, source internet, Leo. Okay, Teo Story. Okay, Julia. Okay, Menkova, APJ Abdul Kalam, Rabindranath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu, APJ. These are the authors, I think. Okay, so these are all the topics are no need to read actually. So once again go through the 30% deleted content in view of COVID-19 pandemic English first year. It's clear to everyone. Okay, so this is the 30% deleted topics in language in English for all the occasional groups. It's clear to everyone. Okay.